that is public safety. Dr. Murray's reckless conduct in this case poses a demonstrable risk to the safety of the public. If Dr. Murray remains out of custody on bond, and even though Dr. Murray is a medical doctor, and even though he has been practicing, public safety demands that he be remanded. Based upon my evaluation of all of these factors, I conclude that remand is appropriate. Dr. Murray is remanded to the custody of the Los Angeles Sheriff with no bail. And in the interim, he is to be kept in the care and custody of the Sheriff in order to appear for further proceedings and formal probation and sentencing on 29 November 2011 at 8:30 a.m. in this department. I expect that the people will have specific restitution, we can wait a few moments, specific restitution-related issues in this case, pursuant to the provisions of Penal Code Section 1202.4, and be prepared to address any matters of restitution. Certainly, counsel are aware of the Realignment Act and the provisions of Penal Code Section 1170, Subdivision H. I do want sentencing memoranda filed by the people and by the defense in this case. Is there anything else to address at this juncture, Mr. Walger?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Chernoff?
No, Judge.
Thank you. For purposes of these proceedings, Dr. Murray's remanded, and the court is going to take a few moments to talk with the jurors, and members of the court staff will be talking to the jurors as well. We are in recess. We are adjourned.
Media contact, are those still in effect?
No. Thank you. Mr. Walden asked a question about outstanding orders of the court regarding contact with the media or with anybody else. Those orders are vacated.
Conrad Murray in handcuffs in the courtroom.
Between now and then, if the court wants to adjust its schedule, it will, but this is a special proceeding involving Dr. White, just as it's a special proceeding involving Mr. Alford. Their appearance is necessary at this point, unless we go to the next step. Okay? Thank you.
Conrad Murray in handcuffs in the courtroom, making the transition from doctor to convicted killer. There goes Conrad Murray. He's been remanded. All this after the jury renders its verdict. There are the cuffs. He was free throughout this trial, no longer free. Dr. Conrad Murray. Today, the jury speaking loudly and speaking